Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Spyderco Slysz Bowie here with me, and I need to thank my buddy Blake for lending me this guy to review. Because this is, a discontinued product. You cannot buy new. You have to get it from the secondary market, and, since because Nick Shabazz did a great review, because this is a great knife, the price went up, substantially. But, this is a great knife. It's made in the Taiwan factory, Taichung. It's a pretty cool frame lock from Spyderco, designed by Marcin Slysz. The handles are titanium with a nice stone wash finish to it, nicely contoured. It's really cool. The blade is 3.25 inch long. It is in CTS XHP steel with a beautiful clip point, mirror wash finish, and full flat grind. Beautifully, it's gonna be like a great slicer. The sound this guy makes is very nice. Hear this, it's snappy, it's loud. Oops. It's really good, and the action it's also good, even if this guy is running on washers. The weight is going to be 4.3 ounces. It has a pretty nice wire clip, deep carry. It's going to be reversible. You can also put it on this side with an overall nice fit and finish. The grip also, it's very nice, guys. Like you wouldn't say. You would maybe think, that because of the lack of chamfering going on, it might be, full of hot spots, but no, surprisingly, really, really good. It's overall very smooth. It's fast. The detent, it's very good. But, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.